Hey guys, it's Arena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I have a mini Mecca gift pack haul for you guys. So every year during Christmas, Mecca comes out with, well, the brands come out with little gift packs that they sell at Mecca, and I picked up a few of them. Honestly, it's a really small haul because I picked up all skincare, and skincare is freaking expensive and I'm broke, but I thought I would show you guys anyways. So the first one that I picked up is this Sunday Riley Power Couple Kit, which comes with the Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment and the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. This is the only gift pack that I picked up that I have previously used before. I have used it twice, and both times that I used it, I got it in the gift pack as well. I always wait for them to come out every single year because I feel like it's just so much more value for your money, because like that one is, I think, like 160. The Good Genes is 160 and Luna Night Oil ranges from 61 to like 120, 30 I want to say, but this set by itself is 130. Even though the full prices are the bigger sizes, I feel like you get a good amount of use out of the small mini sizes for 130, that I feel like to me it's so much more worth it, because I don't use this every day. I use it like once in a while. I actually bought this one for my brother, who has pretty like sensitive acne prone skin, but I used to use it, and then I recommended him to start using it and he like loved it, so he told me to repurchase it for him. So I got these ones. You can only use at nighttime because there's an ingredient in the Good Genes that only activates at night. I'm sorry, I meant the Luna. There's something in the Luna, retinol. I don't know if it's retinol, but there's something in it that only activates at nighttime. So if you have it in sunlight, it's like the ingredient doesn't work and it's not going to do anything to your skin. And UV can be really damaging to the skin if it's not properly protected, especially if you're using retinol. Hey guys, so I was editing this video and I realized that I might have gotten them mixed up. So I think I'm talking about Good Genes, which has lactic acid in it and can be a gentle exfoliant, but can kind of leave your skin a little sensitive. So I would definitely recommend to remember to wear sunscreen after using these products. So if you do pick this up, remember to wear sunscreen in the morning. Okay? The next product that I picked up is the Glow Recipe Damn Bright, and honestly I wasn't planning on getting this one. I heard really great things about the Pineapple Bright Serum and I wanted to get one. I didn't even realize I saw this at Mecca, to be honest, until I went in to go get the Sunday Riley. But I saw it and then this serum was sold out and I was like, damn, next time I'll get it. And then I saw this gift packed and this serum by itself was $75. But then it comes with a Watermelon Glow Sleeping Pack and a Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and it was $75 for 3 of these. So I was like, well, I was gonna buy the one by itself anyway, so it's so much more value to buy it with like these 2 other things, even if they're minis. Yeah, the packaging is really, really nice. I've never tried this before. Honestly, the only reason why I wanted to try it was because one of my favorite YouTubers, or one of the YouTubers that I really like, Princess May, I think she changed her handle. I think it's like May Yan now, but she uses this and she raves about it, so I really wanted to give it a shot. And I can't wait to use these ones as well. So the Blueberry Gentle Cleanser and the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I love a good sleeping mask, so love that. And then the last item that I picked up, which was the most expensive one, was the Tatcha Treasure for Poreless Skin set. I wanted to get this one last year. Honestly, I was in store debating for the longest time if I wanted to get this because it was $135, and I use Innisfree products, which are like pretty inexpensive for skincare, but my skin has been so dry recently and I really wanted to try it out, and I just like wasn't sure if I wanted to make the plunge into Tatcha, because if I really like it, I don't think I can uphold using Tatcha products just because of how pricey they are. Like, I think this by itself is $103. This gift pack was $135, and it comes with the water cream, a deep cleanse, and then the satin skin mist. But honestly, I feel like they are still really, really great value. So I was like, if I'm gonna buy a Tatcha product, I might as well buy it when it comes in a value set. I kind of love everything that Tatcha stands for. I feel like they're such a great brand. Even though I've never really used any of their products, I've heard such great things about them, so I was kind of like more willing to spend that kind of amount on such like a high-end product. But their packaging is honestly impeccable. It is so gorgeous. I love like Japanese and Korean skincare. Like I have a really big trust for Japanese and Korean skincare. So I feel like if I was ever bougie enough to afford high-end skincare, the skincare that I would probably most lean towards would probably be Tatcha, SK2 or La Mer. But that's like crazy expensive. Ah! I cannot get this out. Literally, why can I not get this out? Oh, I got it. I got it, guys. So this is actually a full-sized water cream, and it comes with a little gold spatula. This packaging is honestly so freaking beautiful. I cannot wait to try this out. Yeah, I've been like breaking out recently. Not really breaking out, but I've just had really dry, flaky skin for like the longest time. So hopefully this can help me with that. I don't want to open it, like it's so pretty, but can't wait to start trying that one out. And then of course the satin skin mist. Ooh, it feels really nice. This is like a little small size, but that's really cute because I don't really use that many skin mists, and this would be great for the purse. I really like that. That's really cute. I can carry that around with me. And then the deep cleanser, which is great. I have 2 cleansers that I can try out now. I will test these products out. If you guys do want to see like a updated skincare routine, do let me know. But my battery is flashing, so I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!